So I am finally back showing you guys how to bleach the denim sets. So I'm just outside in the sun, which helps to activate the bleach faster. I have a bottle with bleach in it. You don't want to leave this out here too long because, of course, through the bottle, the sun will activate the bleach. And then this is just a bottle of hydrogen peroxide to stop the bleaching once it gets as white as I want it to get. So really simple, really quick. This video won't take long at all because I'm just showing the bleaching process. So I just have 100% bleach in here. You basically just start spraying where you want it. Just testing it out here. Spraying where you want it to spray. Just testing. Okay, I have it on stream. Just spraying wherever you want to bleach, and there's no rhyme or reason to it. I just kind of do my thing here. I mean, it's literally just spraying it with the bleach. 100% bleach. I'll add videos or pictures of the actual items that I use later on in the video. But just spray it. And then you don't want to over bleach because you can get holes because this is cotton. So you definitely don't want to over bleach, but you want to make sure that you have enough bleach on there so that it'll turn. And basically, once you spray it, you just wait on the sun to do its thing. I'm gonna actually move my spray bottle inside. In here, so I don't want to waste it, but I don't know if you can see because even though I'm in the sun, I feel like I'm in the shadow. Okay, I'm in the shadow over there, but I don't know if you can see there. It's starting to turn. And basically, you just leave it out here. Let it turn. Move it so it gets light. I should have brought my tripod out here so that you can see just how long it takes. Now it is a nice sunny day. I mean, and it works on a non-sunny day. It doesn't have to be, 90 degrees outside. As long as you have some sun, then you're good. So I just wanted to pull up the weather app, the screen recording, and show you here the UV index. As long as you have a UV index of 1 or higher, you're good to bleach. See, it's starting to turn there. And it may take a moment. I sprayed it twice. I'm not going to spray anymore because, as I stated, you can get holes in your denim, which there's a fix for that if you do. Go back and watch my first video. I think I showed how to fix it if you get holes in your denim on my first video, but I know for sure I explained it if I didn't actually show fixing it. I know I explained it, but still, if we can avoid them, then we shall. So starting to change there. So we're just gonna let that sit. What I'm gonna do is I am going to cut this off, grab my tripod so that when I do the back, I can just actually let the camera record and show you just how long it takes. I'll speed it up, of course, but so you can actually see it changing. So you actually see it bleaching. So it doesn't take too long, as you can see. Alright, so I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. And it literally has only been like 2 minutes. I just went and grabbed this tripod and set the phone up there. And it's already turning really white. So you don't want to like leave it, because as soon as it gets as white as we want it, we want to spray it with that hydrogen peroxide so that it can stop the bleaching process, so that we don't get holes. So I'm just gonna let probably like another minute or so, and then just like another minute or so, and then we'll be ready to do the back. And then when we get ready to do the back, I'll leave it on just so we can see just how long it takes. Then I can time it and let you know. All right, so I am back. I'm just gonna spray this. This is my hydrogen peroxide. Now that it's all white. And we really want to get the hydrogen peroxide in there so that it can stop the bleaching and we don't get any holes. Kind of left this on a bit because I couldn't figure out where I put my bottles. I do way too many things at one time. Okay. So I want to make sure it's in there, but not too much that you get the other side, because again, you know, we have to bleach the back side. So now that that's on there, I have my bleach. And again, you know, you can do this however you want. I like mine on stream. I hope that you can see this. Yeah, okay. And just spray away. I don't like spray because then your whole outfit kind of gets sprayed. But if that's the look you're going for, that's, you know, that's completely up to you. It's just not really how I do mine. Okay, and that's it. So I don't know if you can tell on camera that it got kind of shady here, but we can still see how long it'll bleach even with the shade, because it's not like the sun's just behind the cloud for a moment, so it'll still work. So my point is, if it's shady, don't worry, as long as the sun can be seen to some degree, because it's really the UV light that you need that activates the bleach. So we're just gonna let that sit again and bleach. Then I'll be back. Okay, so as you can see, it has turned white. So I'm gonna take my hydrogen peroxide and just neutralize it. And then that's it. Really simple, like I told you guys. Really, 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 really simple. And I kind of left this on here too long because I was doing a couple things at once, but it's okay. If I get a hole, then I'll record a partial video. If I get holes, I'll record a partial video showing how to fix it. So this is just plain water. It's like outside temperature because I just had it in a bucket out here, and we're just going to soak that. And I'm going to pour a little bit of this hydrogen peroxide in there. No certain amount, I just pour some in there, and we're just going to let that sit for about 15 minutes to neutralize that bleach really well. And then after that, I just throw it in the wash. Give it a good wash and dry. I use the clear and free, either all clear and free or like Draft or something like that, you know, that's good for babies. The Draft is kind of perfumey too, so I try to use any clear and free detergent. Wash it in that, and then I dry it with no fabric softener, because you know we're gonna paint it and stuff, so I don't really know if that affects the process or not. It may not. I just never used it. So yeah, just get everything all covered, and then we just let that sit, and then we wash, like I said, in all free and clear, since it's for baby. You don't want to use anything too heavy for baby skin, and then that's it. Just literally that's it. It's that simple. Oh, and then I will show you, let me take this off. I will show you what I use. I use the Performance Bleach. I get these for like, it's like 2 or 3 in a box from Sam's Club, and they're like $10, $15, something like that. Definitely less than 20, and it's like 2 or 3 in a box. And then just Swan hydrogen peroxide. You can get this from anywhere. I get it from Walmart, but they literally sell it anywhere. So that's it. That's literally it. And then these little bottles, of course, you can get from Dollar Tree, Walmart. If you do a lot of bleaching, then you may want to get one with a stronger trigger, because the bleach will eat away at that plastic in there. I don't bleach that often, so I mean, just as often as I get an outfit. So that's it. So drop any questions, any comments. Make sure you like, make sure you comment. Let me know how I did. I will be coming back with more content. I actually just moved into a shop, so once I get everything set up, then I'll record a video of that. But here's a little teaser. So I just moved into a shop, and once I get everything, I'm about 85% unpacked. Once I finish unpacking, then I'll drop the video just giving a little tour. It's small, but you know, it's mine, and then I have all this crap out of my house now, so I'm happy. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna start definitely dropping more content more frequently, preferably like once per week at least. Now that I'm about 85% unpacked, I just had a lot going on. I started a new job, but anywho, I'll definitely be back next week with a video, and yeah, that's it. So like I said, like, follow, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. All right, I thought I would go ahead and show you guys the finished product. It came out really cute, if I do say so myself. I do have a video showing this process step by step, so go ahead, make sure you check that out. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. And also let me know any other content you want to see, and I'll be sure to get on that. Thank you.